Hello guys, welcome back to the series Introduction to Python. In this video, we will discuss about the topic indexing and slicing in detail. We will take string as an example and try to understand the concept. The logic of indexing and slicing can be implemented for list, tuple, and many other Python data types, which we will see in future. But as of now, we will analyze the concept of indexing and slicing only with string example to have a better grasp of the topic. So indexing. Python will assign index value for each of the character in the string. So the index value in Python always starts with 0 if it is of forward indexing. We will look into an example to have a better understanding. So in this example, we have assigned a value called Python string to a variable a. So the index value of p is 0 and the index value of y is 1 and the index value of t is 2 and so on. So if you guys notice a space between the Python and the string is also considered as a character and has an index value of 6. So when you start from the beginning of the string, it is called forward index and the index value starts from 1, 2, 3 and so on. When we start from the end of the string, it is called as negative indexing. So the negative index starts from -1. So the value of g, which is at the end of the string, is assigned with the value -1. And the value of n is assigned with the index value of -2 and the value of I is assigned with the index value of -3 and so on. So what is the use of indexing? The answer is in the concept of slicing. So what is slicing? When you want only a part of the string and not the entire string, we use slicing. So how to get the part of the string from the entire string? It's by using the index value. In our above example, we have used a variable a and assigned a value called Python string. If you want only the value on from the entire string, which is on from the Python, we use slicing. How to get the value? We use the index value which starts from 4 and ends at 6. So this will give a part of the string on. So the value 4 is the lower bound, which is the start, and the value 6 is the upper bound, which is the end. So one more thing to notice here is the lower bound 4 is inclusive, whereas the upper bound 6 is exclusive. So to get the value Python from the variable Python string, we start from 0 and we have to mention till 6. We try it out here. 0 to 6. So this will give the value of Python from which starts from 0 and the value of n with the index value of 5. Hope you guys had a better understanding of the concept indexing and slicing in detail. See you guys in the next video.